This video will show you how to find the common evidence files for you to browse in order to find data that you need to answer your AP annual plan goals. What you'll do is when you're logged into SPOL, you click on Assessment. When that tab opens, click on Document Repository. Here you'll see a list of folders that you have access to. Everyone should have access to the common evidence files. If you click the arrow next to it, all the different types of files have their own folder. Click on the arrow next to the folder for the information you want to see. These are also broken out by year. You click on the year of the folder you want to view and click on the file that you want to view. Once you click on that file, you click Download, and that allows you to open the file. You can also add common evidence files as your documents for evidence in your goals. To do so, you go to the same place where you would add your evidence files on your particular measures, and you just click the plus sign, and then you navigate into the folder just where it was the document that you wish to view. You click on the one that you want to insert, and you just click Assign Document, and then it'll show up in your programs down here or in your files down here at the bottom. And that concludes how to find the common evidence files.